Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Bigo Live. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Bigo Live. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Bigo Live on your device and log in. On the home page, tap the profile icon at the bottom right. And on the profile page, tap your profile picture. Next, tap the edit icon at the top right corner. You can now edit your profile details here. To change your name, tap your name and change it. Tap Submit to confirm. And that's how you change your name on Bigo Live. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.